good, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Austin. Right now we're in downtown Seattle. We're gonna explore and we wanted to bring you guys along. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in a little bit.
14.7 pounds worth in the foot. That it pushes down the water, so when I open the valve, it goes out the back of the tank here. And it just churns up the gravel a little bit, shakes loose all the dust and debris, so that way.
Else get right there.
Let's go. Go home in hand. Bye bye. Sonra konuşuyor bu bir göreymişsin. Look at this fish. I forgot to bring the salt on the line. I forgot to bring the salt.
Can you rely on
Yeah, I think some of these fish, their mouths just stay open because they just suck in all the stuff from the water. So they just get them up like that.
Let me walk. Look at that.
Walk behind you.
Where's the bird?
Oh wow, that's nice. That is nice. It's like behind us. It's like go to the end. Right there. Yeah, just big one.
Look up.
Don't put your mouth on it.
No. Look. Starfish. These are otters, right?
No, that's huge.
There's a seal.
Yeah, he doesn't.
Oh, there's another one. I can put your coat on.
Wow.
Let me take a picture over here. That's what's that.
Austin? Alright, what do you guys plan on doing?
We're gonna go to the Ferris wheel.
What is it called?
Ferris wheel.
Ferris wheel? You guys enjoy the little aquarium tour? Huh? That's good.
No. About to go up there.
It's just disappointing that
We're gonna see
Mommy forgot to bring the salt and the
the
mayonnaise.
city of Seattle.
Yeah. We could have made some sashimi. We don't need to be showing all that.
Alright,
Crazy.
I'll catch you guys when we're on the Ferris wheel. Say bye.
Bye.
Alright guys, we're on our way to the Ferris wheel. Again. Good check, good check. I'm gonna get an outfit of the day.
Bro, stuck.
Alright. We're on our way up there. We're about to go on the I want to take one. We're gonna go up there. Yeah. I hope you guys like this video. Catch you guys when we're on the Ferris wheel.
Where is mommy? Where is mommy?
Which way should I be facing?
Just everywhere.
That's it? Like, only certain people, number of people.
No, I think we're gonna stop at the top.
Oh, I'm scared.
I should sit there, Mars.
Why?
Because I can face the
Wait.
city. Can we move?
Switch with Austin?
Austin, are you scared? Yeah, come stay with me if you're scared. Are you scared? Are you scared of heights? A little bit?
Yeah,
Okay. Okay, come here, come here. Come stay with me. It's okay.
Look. We up there.
Hey, look, that's what it feels like.
The Seahawks Stadium. Move up, Mars? I can't really get. Wow. Austin, are you scared?
Not really.
No, Austin is not scared. Austin is a man. Austin
Look at
is
this city.
a man.
Can I see Mom down there?
Oh, there's a space now.
Look around, Austin. So if something goes wrong with this thing, we better be ready to make sure that we jump into water, okay?
We're gonna
Yeah, we're
die.
dead.
We're dead.
No, seriously, if something goes wrong, we'll break it and then we'll jump into the water.
That's
We're still
not.
dead.
We're still dead.
No.
Yeah, it's
No,
gonna
with the
hurt.
impact, we're gonna die.
It's gonna break our ribs, all that. It's better staying in here until we get, unless.
Yeah, but it's safer to jump into water than to go down on those concrete.
I feel like it's the same, cause
We're still falling at the same.
We need some food up here. We need food up here.
Space Needle
Where's Space Needle?
right there. The city. Then the CenturyLink field on Lumen Field. There. Mars, are you scared?
No.
Austin.
I'm so scared.
I'll tell Mom to take video of us, like of it going around.
Mommy, she's
Should I FaceTime?
somewhere. She's probably. Oh, right there. She's right there. She's on Facebook. Look at her. Like she's probably.
She's
talking
right
to-
there.
She's probably talking to Grandma Mimi. Yeah, she's walking around. She's right there. Yeah, she's right there.
Oh, yes.
Oh, moving.
We're moving now.
Oh, this is scary. Like we're literally right on top.
Now we're going
Oh, wow,
back.
she don't want to ice cream.
It's 3 rounds.
Net weer, je hebt speed 5 ite?
3.
3? This is
Austin,
nice
yeah.
water.
Just talk.
Is Mom on D&D?
Probably on call and on Facebook.
She's right there.
Well, I think we're gonna see her. We have to, right?
Yeah.
Mommy's right there.
We're going down. Wow, what a beautiful sight.
There, look at Mommy. She's right there. Thank you for saving $19. You didn't come with us.
She was scared.
Are we done?
No, 3 rounds. Going back up. Oh.
Elspeth, look at my picture. Go over there. So I can take a picture of us.
We're up here.
Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Oh.
See the boat, the ferry. To Seattle. I recommend you guys, if you guys ever come to Seattle, come to downtown Seattle. Come to the Great Wheel. It's fun. It's a great time to spend with family. And sorry that we haven't been really vlogging, but we're back. And yeah, like. I was gonna say something. Hold it, vlog. Come on.
Go get it. Are you vlogging?
Mm-hmm.
Check out the merch, guys. Go check out the merch. Link will be in the description below. Understand? Why am I the only one wearing the hat? You guys should be wearing the hat.
We up here.
Thank you for saving us $19.
I'm on. One last round.
Is this the last one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just embrace the city for the last time.
Bless. Don't
Hey.
Thank you.
Did you catch the hungry?
I think so. I had to. What are we doing after this?
I don't know.
Space Needle.
You want to go to Space Needle?
Yeah.
Huh? It's too far.
Can you guys see the Seahawks? The Seahawks is trash.
Don't even. We play tomorrow. I guess tomorrow. Yeah, right? Tomorrow? We play tomorrow.
Tomorrow Sunday.
Who's that?
Space Needle. It'd be better if today was a sunny day.
Alright guys, you really want to go to Space Needle?
Yeah. It's another, we can get a better view.
I mean, I don't want to go, but if you guys want to go, then we can go. Why?
Doesn't matter.
Aston, do you want to go? Since now you're not afraid of heights anymore? What?
How do you guys like this? We're about to stop. Do you guys like the Ferris wheel?
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
Actually, it's good because it's not fast.
Mm-hmm.
It would have been more scary.
Alright. Say I'll catch you later.
Okay.
Peace.
Thanks for the ride.
Oh.
Hey, take us home. What?
I
This is the last
thought
one. This is the last one.
false alarm.
All right, good.
The last.
Oh, is that a restaurant open?
These are markets.
These are beautiful. They're beautiful. Except they're expensive. You have to bring your own lunch if you have to do stuff like this. Bring your Spam rice, your mackerel. That's all you have. That's all you need. There's really no place safe and cheap to eat out because it's very expensive.
Yeah, very, very expensive. The SoFi Stadium.
SoFi.
I mean SoFi Lumen. Such a vague. The city.
Yeah, I see our car.
Where? Oh, I see it too.
Look at those.
Huh?
Look at the. They look like a horse. The cranes. See it? How's it?
Did you show them?
Show them. The boats. I mean ships. Like. Welcome to Washington.
I don't know how to fix it.
Alright, we're going off now. I think it was a great time. You guys liked it? Alright,
Yeah.
see, I'll catch you. Catch you guys.
Okay.
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 I was gonna say, not again.
Yeah, I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. We're on our way home now. Hope you guys liked it. I had fun with my family. Did you guys have fun today?
Yeah.
Yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to check out our merch. My dad will put it somewhere in the description box. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your post notification bell. See you guys in the next video. Peace.